Myself, Dr. M. David Razu, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, P.B. Siddhartha College of Arts and Science, Vijayawada. Today's topic is standard hydrogen electrode. So let us see introduction to electrochemical cells first. Electrochemical cell is a device that generates electrical energy from chemical reactions or vice versa. It is a device that produces electrical energy from chemical reactions. It involves two electrodes, anode, that is the electrode where oxidation takes place, and cathode, that is the electrode where reduction takes place. Why is standard hydrogen electrode is important? It's important because it acts as a reference electrode to measure the electrode potential of other electrodes. What is standard hydrogen electrode? The standard hydrogen electrode is a reference electrode basically with an assigned potential of 0.00 volts at all temperatures. The purpose of the standard hydrogen electrode is it is used to compare and measure the standard electrode potential of other electrodes. That is, with respect to the standard hydrogen electrode, the other electrode's potential is calculated or measured. So components of the standard hydrogen electrode. The main components of the standard hydrogen electrode involves platinum electrode. Platinum metal, it acts as an electrode. It is an inert conductor. It is an inert with respect to chemical reactions, and it passes electricity through it. Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is bubbled over the platinum at a pressure of 1 atmospheric pressure. Hydrogen gas is bubbled. It passed through it. Acidic solution. An acid, hydrochloric acid, is taken and it has a certain molarity. So the HCl contains H plus ions with a concentration of 1 molar. The concentration is fixed 1 molar and the pressure is fixed as 1 atmospheric pressure. So platinum wire is inserted into this glass container where hydrogen gas and hydrochloric acid at 1 atmospheric is presented. Now let us see the working of a standard hydrogen electrode. So the first half cell reaction is two hydrogen atoms in aqueous phase. Phase means the atoms are splitted into H plus ions and 2 electrons. So the 2 H plus ions accommodates 2 electrons and converts to H2 gas. And H2 gas splits into 2 H plus aqueous plus 2 electrons. So these two processes are at equilibrium. H plus taking an electron and converting into hydrogen gas is a forward reaction, and hydrogen gas Splitting into H plus ions and electrons is a backward reaction, and these two reactions are at equilibrium. So 2H plus aqueous plus 2 electrons and gives rise H2 gas. So what happens at anode? Hydrogen gas releases electrons. Hydrogen gas releases electrons. That means oxidation takes place. So oxidation takes place at anode. And at cathode, hydrogen ions gains electrons. That's called reduction. That's called reduction. At anode, oxidation takes place. At cathode, reduction takes place. So the direction of the reaction depends on the other half cell electrode it is paired with. This particular electrode is linked with or connected to another half cell. So whether the forward reaction takes place or backward reaction takes place, that depends upon the linked half cell electrode. The linked half cell electrode. So the construction of hydrogen electrode. The construction of the standard hydrogen electrode. So the electrode diagram explanation. Platinum electrode immersed in 1 molar H plus ions solution. The platinum electrode is immersed in a container containing 1 molar H plus ions, and H plus solution through H plus solution hydrogen gas bubbles over the platinum electrode. The platinum provides a surface for the hydrogen reaction. Platinum provides a surface for the hydrogen reaction. That means it acts as a catalyst. It acts as a catalyst. Then conditions for standard hydrogen electrode. Standard conditions are temperature is 298 Kelvin, that is 25 degrees centigrade. Pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure for H2. The gas concentration is 1 molar H plus ions. 1 molar H plus ions. The electrode potential is 0.00 volts. The electrode potential is 0.00 volts. These are the conditions for standard hydrogen electrode. Then comes to the applications of standard hydrogen electrode. Applications. It acts as a reference electrode to measure the standard electrode potential of other half cells. And it is used in determining the electromotive force of electrochemical cells or EMF of other electrochemical cells. The limitations of standard hydrogen electrode. Limitations. Difficult to maintain pure hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure. So getting a 1 hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure is very difficult. A platinum electrode can be easily poisoned by impurities. Platinum electrode contains a lot of impurities. It's a delicate setup, difficult to use in routine applications. These are the limitations of standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, that's all. And if any questions, you are free to ask. Thank you very much.